Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Apple Watch Ultra. First, carefully unbox your new watch and press the side button until the Apple logo appears. Next, bring your iPhone close to the watch. A pairing animation should pop up on your phone. Tap Continue and position your iPhone's camera over the watch's animation. Then, choose whether to set it up for yourself or a family member. Finally, select your preferred wrist and language to get started. Now that your watch is paired, let's personalize it. You can choose from hundreds of watch faces, each offering unique styles and up to 8 customizable complications. Simply long press the display to change faces. Next, head to the Watch app on your iPhone to fine-tune notifications for messages, calls, and other applications. Don't forget to set up cellular service if you have it, ensuring you stay connected even without your phone nearby. Your Apple Watch Ultra is a powerful health and fitness companion. Open the Health app on your iPhone to input your personal details like age, height, and weight for accurate tracking. Set daily activity goals for move, exercise, and stand rings. Explore features like continuous heart rate monitoring, which takes readings every 4 hours, and advanced sleep tracking to understand your sleep patterns better. It's designed to help you live a healthier life. To enhance your experience, explore the App Store directly on your watch to download useful applications. The unique action button on the left side can be customized for quick access to your favorite features, like starting a workout or turning on the flashlight. To maximize your battery life, which can last up to 36 hours with normal use, manage background app refresh in the Watch app settings. Enjoy your new Apple Watch Ultra.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.